Okay, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the section 319 of the CRPC, that is the additional prosecution. Means, can additional accused be summoned under section 319 of the CRPC, and at what stage the court can summon such person? Means, either after framing of the charges, or at the time of commencement of the trial, or during the trial. Okay, so this issue was settled in the present judgment, that is the Hardeep Singh versus State of Punjab and others, which was pronounced on dated 10th of January 2014. It was 5 judges bench, and the judgment was delivered by Honorable Justice B.S. Chauhan. Okay, so first of all, by an example, let me explain you. For example, there are two persons, A and B, and both are accused, but the name of the B is not present in the FIR. Okay, maybe he is an absconder, or evidences are not available to the court. So what is happening here is that the trial with respect to A starts, means after framing of the charges, when the trial commences. So it is going on, means with respect to A things are going on, but B is not there. Later on, at certain stage, it was found, means through the evidences, it comes before the court that B is also accused. So now issue is that the person whose name is not in the FIR, can such person be called, can such person be summoned under section 319 of the CRPC? So let's see what section 319 says. The CRPC 319 says the power of the court to proceed against other person appearing to be guilty of an offence, essentially the co-accused person. Now I think it is clear. So the first of all, the object of 319 is real culprit should not get away unpunished. Okay, so this is this is a very important part of the fair trial, and the Hardeep Singh judgment actually lays down certain guidelines regarding it. So these guidelines are very important, so we will see later on. First of all, let me first tell you that as the trial was with respect to A was going on, and later on the evidences were there with respect to B. So now let's see what the honorable judges laid down in the present case. Okay, so as we can see that the trial court under section 399 can summon the person even after framing of the charges, or during the trial, means during the trial, the commencement of the trial, or the during the trial. So this extraordinary power can be exercised by the trial court, and that they can summon any person who is found to be guilty, okay, through the evidences. But this the trial court should be very cautious, and they should not use this power, means mechanically, means very with the due application of mind. And if the situations are such that it is very means without summoning such person, the justice cannot be done, then yes, 319 empowers the court to summon the additional accused, means even after the framing of the charges and after the commencement of the trial of the offence. And if the evidence discloses that any other person other than the accused has committed the said offence. So this was regarding the 319. If you liked, please subscribe and like the channel.